How to find your zone ID in Mobile Legends game. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your zone ID in Mobile Legends. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Mobile Legends app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Once inside the game, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where your account details are shown. Here, just on the right side of your profile picture, you will find your zone ID with some digits. This here is your zone ID. If you need to share or save your zone ID, just tap on the number and it will automatically copy to your clipboard. And that's how you can find your zone ID in the game. And now you know exactly how to find and copy your zone ID in Mobile Legends. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.